Mosquito can feed multiple times on the same animal. It doesn't have to, and we're talking about female mosquitoes. You know, male mosquitoes are well-behaved little creatures. They actually feed on flower pollen, you know, and they're not interested in blood at all. It's the females that are the blood feeders. Why? Because the females have to lay the eggs. They have to propagate, and they need blood to lay eggs. But when she's feeding, she's got salivary secretions, just like we have saliva. And in her saliva, she has irritating substances. And so those irritating substances combined with that mechanical stick create that little bump that you see as you rub and scratch it. So first of all, the mosquito has to get infected. So there has to be a source animal, and that's the dog. So the dog has circulating baby worms in its blood. We call them microfilaria, but that's a complicated term. So just imagine all these tiny little baby worms circulating in blood. So the mosquito bites that dog. And when it takes up a blood meal, it takes up some of those baby worms. Once inside the mosquito, those baby worms grow up. They go through 2 molts or changes until they develop into a 3rd stage. That 3rd stage then migrates back to the mosquito's mouth parts, so that when the mosquito takes another blood meal, the ones that are now mature and infective enter the new host. And once they enter the new host, they're carried by that host's blood vascular system to the heart where they grow up. So mosquitoes are necessary in the life cycle. You cannot transmit heartworm from one dog to another just by direct contact. You have to have that vector.